Hey Starseeds, welcome back to my kitchen. Today we're going to be making summer rice paper rolls that are going to be filled with vegetables, and we're also going to make a delicious dip. But before we get into the video, don't forget to comment down below and let me know if you like this style of video versus me sitting on my couch walking you through the recipe, okay? Because this is a new thing that we're doing and we want to get some feedback from you guys, so leave a comment down below. So before we get into the video, don't forget that we are here every single Wednesdays, Fridays, and Sundays, and we are freeing all beings one recipe at a time together. So we're already in the kitchen, so let's get into it. The first thing we're gonna do is we are going to cut our vegetables, okay? So today I've got an array of different vegetables, and it's good to get in a lot of variety so that you can get a lot of nutrients, and you know that you're getting a lot of nutrients when you're getting all of the colors of the rainbow, okay? I have orange here, red, yeah, carrots, I got peppers, I got purple cabbage, mangoes, avocado, and I've even sprouted some mung beans. Now you don't have to do that, but I had some left over from yesterday and I really want to use these up. So these are going in my rice paper rolls. So I am gonna use this spiralizer because I want to make my carrots into cute little noodles because I'm such a kid. So this is what we're going to do. We're just going to cut off the carrot at the end, and then we're going to use, actually we're going to cut off this part too to make it even. So this is how it's done. I love this thing. It's a lot of fun. If you're looking to lose weight, you can make a lot of nice salads with this spiralizer with zucchinis and carrots. So you need some strength in this. This is actually, you need to really get down and use your arm power. Okay, so these are our carrot noodles. As you can see, I did a little bit more. So we're gonna move our spiralizer now, get our cutting board, and now we're going to continue with the red cabbage. So, guys, red cabbage is so nutrient dense. In 1 cup of red cabbage, you're going to get 85% of your vitamin K needs for a day. And also, in 1 cup of red cabbage, you're also going to get 54% of your vitamin C needs. So it's actually really nutrient dense, and it's gonna add a lot of crunch and flavor to your rice paper rolls. You can just cut it into like thin slices. Now we're gonna be using some red pepper. Guys, I love red peppers. I love them. They add a lot of flavor to anything, really. And also, these bad boys are packed with a whole lot of vitamin C. Like more vitamin C than oranges or kiwi, I think. It's really very nutrient dense. So you don't want to skip adding peppers in your salads and in your summer rolls. I'm not very particular about how I cut my vegetables, as you can see. But just cut them into like thin strips. Okay, so we are also going to peel and cut a mango, because you can't have a summer roll without mangoes, guys. I'm sorry. And lately, I've been obsessed with mangoes. I want them in everything. Stir fries, smoothies. Maybe because it's like 45 degrees in Cyprus and I'm just eternally like hot. It's just too hot on this island. So we need a lot of refreshing foods to cool us down. Yesterday we did a video on coconut and mango Thai style coconut rice, okay? So you guys really need to check that out. That's also a nice refreshing dish that you can have for breakfast or for dessert. So what we're gonna do is we're just gonna cut the cheeks off as efficiently as possible. And what you're gonna do is you're just gonna cut these into thin slices. I actually really wanted to get out my star-shaped cookie cutters and just make cute little stars out of this, but okay, I'll save that for another time. So another great thing about mangoes is that in 1 cup of mangoes, you get 100% of your daily recommended intake for vitamin C. So we've got a whole lot of vitamin C here, a whole lot of vitamin K, and a whole lot of vitamin A. So that's really good for us. Okay, so now obviously we can't leave out the avocado, okay, because we really need some good fats in there so that we can absorb all of those nutrients. So you just want to cut around the avocado and then make strips, and then it just really easily comes out. See, I'm no expert, but hey, it works. And now all you have to do is cut them into even thinner slices, because once you put them into the paper roll and they're thick like this, it's not gonna work. So make sure that you cut them into thin slices. Okay, so we've cut up all of our vegetables and now it's time to assemble everything, okay? But first, what we have to do is just heat up your kettle, and once the water is really hot, like boiling, you just want to pour it into a bowl, because this is gonna help us to soften the rice paper rolls and get them nice and soft so we can roll them up, fill them and roll them up. So, taking a rice paper, and all I'm gonna do, actually this one is a bit cracked, so I'm not gonna take that one, take this one. And we're just going to just gently dip it in and rotate it. Now you don't wanna dip it in for too long because it'll just curl up on you and then you won't be able to roll it. So that's good enough. Great, so now we're going to set it down and fill it. So first we're gonna fill it with some peppers. We're gonna do mango. Just love mango. And avocado. Some cabbage. Make it nice and colorful. And some of our carrot noodles. Wow, this one is like never ending. Oh my God, it just keeps going and going. This is crazy. Where's the end? Okay, wait. Now we can just place that on top. That looks pretty already. Okay, let's hope that I can successfully roll this thing. You just wanna like take the end, fold it over, roll it, and then take the sides and fold them in, sides and fold them in, and then try to tightly roll like so. Yes! I did it! So I'm gonna go ahead and finish the rest, and I'm gonna see you guys in a couple minutes. So our rice paper rolls are ready, and all that's left to do is make the sauce. Now usually I do make like a really nice peanut sauce from scratch, but I'm all out of peanut butter, so we're gonna be using this organic amino sauce, which is a natural gluten-free alternative to soy sauce, and handcrafted in small batches. So it sounds really good, and it's actually very tasty. So we are gonna just pour this into our little dipping bowl, and to it we're just gonna grate some ginger and some garlic and add in some dried chili peppers. So I'm just gonna take my garlic and grate it. This is just a really easy way to make a dipping sauce if you're out of peanut butter, or sort of like just to use whatever you have on hand. It's just an easy way, and it's delicious. So in the garlic goes, yum. And then we're gonna take our peeled ginger, just a chunk of ginger, and just do the same thing. And this is gonna add a lot of flavor to your sauce and to your rolls. And then we're gonna take our dried red chili peppers. Just go ahead and break it in there. Oh yeah. Oh, this is gonna be super spicy. I love spice. Okay. And then we just take our sesame seeds, white sesame seeds, and add some in. And also I'd like to add some sesame seeds on my rice rolls as well. Go ahead and do that. Okay friends, so I'm so excited because my summer rolls are ready, and I'm gonna have these babies for lunch with an extra large mango coconut smoothie, and I can't wait. Greg can't wait either. So guys, you're getting a lot of vitamins in this. You're getting a lot of vitamin K. Basically, this is like a vitamin C bomb, okay? If you need some more vitamin C in your body, this is what you should be having. And by the way, if you want, you can also use tofu in here. If you want to make it a little more meaty, you can go ahead and put tempeh inside, or tofu, or even seitan if you like. I just kept mine very simple because like I said, it's really hot and I just need something refreshing. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, hit that like button, and also leave a comment down below and let me know if you like this style video more than the other. If you haven't subscribed, guys, I hope you subscribe, because we are here every single Wednesday, Friday, and Sunday, freeing all beings one recipe at a time together. So I'm gonna see you guys next time.